Our project is called the Create Teaming Agreement Templates, and our team members are Chris, Len, and Kevin. Hi, my name is Kevin, and I am a lawyer from Malaysia. In our project, what we did was we created templates for teams which were going to start projects in the Cardano ecosystem. And these template agreements make it easier for these teams to create some kind of agreement between themselves, and so that they can avoid trouble later on. Eventually, we created a number of documents which can be used by these teams. The documents that we created, first of all, is the teaming agreement, and this teaming agreement is the one that fulfills the requirements of the project. So different parties can come together and form a team, and they can agree on the multi-sig wallet. They can agree on who is going to be doing what job. So the roles of the parties will be laid out. All right, and it's an agreement with some kind of foresight as well, because we try to allow them to plan ahead and to use whatever vehicle is acceptable to them. Like maybe they want to use a company, or if they wanted to use a cooperative. The parties can also be organizations. They don't have to be individuals, and that's reflected in the schedule as well, because we have a very simple tick, so people can tick the boxes. Yeah, and we envision as well that the parties who enter these kind of agreements, they need to be KYC'd, meaning to say they have to be identified, so that the other people who are working with them, they will know who they are dealing with, and that provides a layer of confidence to the other team members, so that the team members don't get cheated out of their time and their efforts. The next document that we created was a service agreement. So it allows the teams to engage outsiders, people who are freelancers or part-timers, essentially people who are not a partner, but people who are engaged for hire. And we have several examples of how to fill it. For example, for a project manager, or for a software developer. All right, and that's going to be helpful for those people who come into the space, because when they form a team, they might hire, you know, a certain developer or a project manager for a short while, and after that phase, they might not need that person anymore. All right. The next document that we created was the deed of accession, and this is actually for teams which form up their own company. So in the event they want to bring in third parties, or new members, it's easier for them to sign the deed of accession, which actually means that they agree to the original teaming agreement, and that solves a lot of problems, because the original team may have had a certain kind of understanding, right? Finally, we also created a project charter, which is an example that teams can use. They don't have to use it if they don't want to, but a project charter actually helps to set them on the right path, and helps to orientate the team so that they have the right direction. So those are the kind of things that we have created, and we hope that it will be helpful for teams which are coming into the Cardano space. So thank you very much for watching the video.